Most people don't have a clue what consciousness is. But there's an obvious pattern if you research. To me it's not a mystery. It's easy. Atoms auto-respond to interactions. But to do so they need a trigger, a precursor to sense/feeling. If a stray electron binds to an atom, it throws it at another atom. They then bond. How do they sense another compatible atom is even there? A form of awareness obviously. And it's been proven they even have a form of memory, and we store information in them. All living things are aware. Grow a vine on a floor with nothing around it? When it grows it'll just hit the floor. Later, put a post a couple feet behind it, and it will reach for that post. How does it know it's there? Plants have awareness. This has been proven. Bacteria have an awareness. This has been shown in many tests. No brain, auto-response, but basic awareness and ability to adapt. Our gut bacteria even communicate with our brain, producing cravings for what they want. And all our cells communicate with each other, including the brain. So you don't need a brain to auto-respond, nor to be aware and capable of adapting. Even humans act mainly on auto-response. But we have the most complex awareness we call consciousness. For that you need a brain. Animals have brains, feelings/emotions, etc., just like us. The only difference is half our conscious brain thinks in complex concepts/language. We live 0.85 seconds in the past. That's how long it takes for sensory info to get to your conscious mind. But your limbic system gets that info first and gives you emotions and an auto-response before your consciousness gets the details. Emotions/feelings tell us we have a need, or that we have fulfilled/resolved one. Auto-responses are based on genetic predisposition set against environmental conditioning, learning and experience, etc. Consciousness is there to help the subconscious learn and give us better auto-responses. We respond to only need/stimulus. You don't scratch unless you itch. Why does an atom respond to another atom? It needs to. All atoms have to try to maintain or get back to lowest possible energy levels. This produces entropy. But also order. It is the reason atoms merge, creating new things. It gives more stability, lower energy levels and safety in numbers. Interaction causes higher energy levels. If you had no needs you would have no need to do anything, and wouldn't. So, my theory is, since we are just merged atoms and merged cells, auto-response produces a kind of proto-awareness. Then as systems get more complex, we get rudimentary awareness, then we go to more and more complex awareness, to consciousness in things with brains, to human language-based consciousness. So consciousness is just complex awareness. Simple, et. And since atoms are part of the quantum, it too must have awareness. I wouldn't say consciousness, but who knows? And it created all this. Probably due to cause and effect and interactions and needs. So it produced our consciousness. Since we and everything is made of atoms, we are part of the quantum. Awareness is required if you have needs or you couldn't meet them.